friends, welcome to my channel Animated Study. In previous video, we have seen about insertion in linked list at the front side or head side. In this video, we are inserting the node at the end side or tail side. So this is our node structure that is called as a struct node, and struct node is allocating the memory like this, in which one is a data part that is integer type and second is the link part. Link part is pointing to the structure node kind. Initially, we are taking one head variable that is pointing to the null. Since we have not inserted any node in the linked list, right now head is indicating the null. Now in the main method, we will call this kind of function that will inserting the elements or value in the linked list. So typically insert end is one function and its code is like this. So first we are inserting element 10. So when we are calling this function insert end 10, 10 is get copied in num variable. Then from this instruction we are defining two variable, namely new node and pointer. This is of type of struct node. Now we are allocating the memory to the new node and its size is of the structure node type. So here we are allocating the memory and it's having an address 130. Now in the data part of the new node, we are inserting the num. Since num having a value 10, here we are inserting the 10. Then in new node link part, right now we are inserting the null. So here we can see null is inserted. Now we are checking the condition if head is equal to null. Here we can see head is pointing to the null. So this condition is true. So we are going in the if part and we can see here head is equal to new node. That means now onwards head is pointing the same memory location what new node is pointing. So here we can see now head is pointing the new node. Therefore head and new node both are pointing the same memory location, that is 130. So this is the insertions of the first element in the linked list. Now we are inserting the second element, that is 42. So 42 is copied in a num variable. Again we are defining two variable, new node and pointer. So we can see here new node and pointer. Now we are allocating the memory for the new node of size of struct node. Now in the new node data part, we are inserting the value, that is num. So num containing the 42. So here we are inserting the 42. Now new node link part, we are taking the null. Now again we are checking the condition if head is equal to null. Now you can see head is not null, it is pointing the some node that is having address 130. So head is equal to null, condition is false. So we are going to the else part, and in else part first instruction is pointer equal to head. So right now pointer is not pointing to the any node. Now onwards pointer is pointing to the node that is right now pointed by the head node. So now we can see here pointer is pointing the first node that is pointed by the head node. So both are now pointing the node which address is 130. Now we are checking the loop condition, that is pointer link part is not equal to null. So here we can see pointer link part that is null right now. So this condition become false. So we'll break the loop and we can see here now we have to set the pointer link part is equal to new node. That means this is the pointer and this is the link part. In link part we have to point the new node address, that is 565. So now 565 is the link part of the PTR node. Now we are inserting one more data which value is 78. So 78 is copied in a num variable. Now we are taking again two pointers, new node and PTR. Now we are allocating the memory for the new node with the malloc function, and it's have its own address, that is 250. Now in the new node data part we are inserting 78 and new node link part we are inserting null. Now again we are checking the condition if head is equal to null. So here you can see head is pointing some node, it is not null, so this condition is false. So we are going to the else part, and in else part first is pointer equal to head. So our pointers is now pointing to the node which is pointed by the head node. So now you can see pointer and head is pointing the first node. Now we are checking the loop condition, that is pointer link not equal to null. Here we can say this is the pointer node and pointer node link part is not null, it is 565, that is not null. So we are going inside of the while loop, and in that we can see pointer is equal to pointer link part. So we have to move our pointer to the link part of our pointer. So this link is pointing to the next node, our pointer is moving to the next node. Now again we'll check the loop condition, that is pointer link not equal to null, but in this case pointer link is null, so the loop is breaked and we will come on to the instruction, that is pointer link is equal to new node. Now the pointer link part is right now null, that is modified with the new address, that is the new node address, that is 250. So in this way we have started with the insertions of element 10, and then at the end of that we have inserted 42, and in end of that we have inserted 78. So we have inserted our elements from the end part. Okay, so we have inserted the node from the starting position, then onward at the end of that node second node we have inserted, at the end of this node third node we have inserted, and so on. We are inserting the node one by one at the tail side or end side. That is what the insertion in a linked list at the end. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video notification. Thank you for watching.